How to use IES Light in Unreal Engine 5. First, we need to add the IES pad and click the fab. And now I type IES. And I change this price to free. And I open this one. And here you add to projects. So I close it. And we coming back. He opens the profiles. And now I need to close this spotlight. And I open another one. And I scroll it down and find the IES textures. So I will adjust these textures into here. And you will see our light is changed. Also, you can use IES intensity. This intensity is really strong. You can change the scale. And you will see this intensity, you can change it. So, you can change here. The next, also this light, you can change the color. And you can change this angle. Also, you can change another one. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.